1957 Chevy 150. This car has been completely restored on a rotisserie from the ground up. This is museum quality. You're not gonna get any better. This car is perfect in every way. This car looks like it rolled out of the showroom, but better. I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of what this car is and what it consists of. We will start with underneath the hood. As you can see, it is completely, fully restored. This is a V8. It is the 3.8. Underneath the hood. This car only had 9 miles on it. As you can see underneath the doors, rockers. Here is the information sheet on it. If you like what you see, look under WNY, wnydreamcars.com, and they'll assist you in anything you need.